What up though YouTube, this your boy Two Fly Graffiti, back today with a quick review. Real quick before I even get into it, if you're seeing this video, today is November 11th, Veterans Day. Shout out to all my veterans out there like myself. Well, I'm technically not a veteran because I'm active, but you know what I mean. But sneakers just did a drop on the Air Jordan 11 Jubilee, which I took an L, shockingly enough. I was already on the app because I knew it was coming. I still took an L. I was gonna get them so I could do a review, but whatever. But I'm back after a year of being off. It's been 2 years actually since I made a video. So I'm back today with a quick video. I just want to do a video of the shoes because I've been waiting on them to come. They finally came, and then I'm gonna do a review, and then I'm gonna do another video later because I'm gonna get some stuff done to them, or I might just add it to this video. It depends on how I edit it. We'll see at the end of the video. If you stay to the end, you'll see what it is. But without further ado, let's go ahead and talk about the shoes that we're gonna talk about today. So the shoe for today is the Air Jordan 4 SP, the Union Jordan 4 in black, off noir. That's the color, I guess. Size 9, this is my size. So I did actually get these on Union the day of the release back in August. I know it's like November. So I literally just got them because I was in the process of leaving Hawaii. So I finally left Hawaii, but I went to Michigan for a month. The shoes didn't ship till like 2 weeks after they released. And then they went out to DC to my brother's house, where it was just a whole debacle of even him receiving the shoe because UPS kept trying to deliver the shoe to a full access point.
Permission.
So it was really hard for like the shoe to even get there. So by the time I just got tired and I called UPS and I kind of like turned up on them and I told them to change the access point because y'all keep delivering to a full access point. So they finally did. The shoes got delivered. My brother got them, and then I came to California, which is where I am now. I'm no longer in Hawaii, and I had to get a place. So obviously I didn't have an address for them to ship to. So I just moved in a couple weeks ago. It took him a little bit to go ahead and get the shoes out to me because he's a really busy person. But I have them now, so we'll go ahead and unbox them. I did already, well, I looked at them already because I had to try them on because I've been having like weird luck with collab shoes. So this is a size 9, like I said. So this is my normal size, but like I said, I've been having weird issues with my normal size for shoes. So I actually bought a size 9 pair of off-white 5s, and I tried them on at first and they were fine. And I walked around them and I actually really couldn't like fit them, like my feet were hurting. So as I can see, Nike Air on the back. I'm trying to get my face out of there so the camera don't pick up my face. There we go. Nike Air on the back. It's a decent shoe. There's a super yellow sole they got going on here. That's definitely different. It's really yellow in real life. So once you see these shoes in hand, this is actually like a really yellow color. I seen a guy on Instagram, he did go ahead and paint the midsole to where it's like, look like a normal bread Jordan 4, where it has the white midsole with the black right here, and then the outer he left yellow, which actually looked good. And he cut out the little lace holder, ankle holder, whatever thing, this little wing, he actually cut that out, so it actually looks decent. I probably will do that later on. And the reason why I said that I was going to make some more to this video, which I probably just added on to the end, is because with the tongue being folded in, I actually do not like that. A lot of people didn't like that when they first saw the pictures. Like a lot of people was turned off because of the tongue being turned outside, which I guess is like an 80s thing or a 90s thing or something, which I've never seen before, but I was born in 92, so whatever. But I'm gonna take it out, obviously, and then have the stitching put back in there. There's a guy on Instagram who's gonna do it for me. So once he does it, I'll get the shoes back, and then I'll do the on feet, and y'all see. I'm gonna shout out him once I get them back. But yeah, so let me get the other shoes. They actually, I probably will end up throwing these in because they do look better than the black. Let me get the other shoe out. I wish they would have came with some more lace options, but they didn't. So here's the other shoe. Here's both of the shoes. I'm gonna just do one. So it has that Union color hang tag, and then on the other side it does say Union Jordan. So I got the Union Jumpman on there. Like I said, solid shoe. I love the shape. I love that the toe box isn't all fat. It's actually pretty slanted and pointy like the OG Jordan 4s are. So I do like the shape on these. And like I said, I am going to go ahead and take it to where these joints, I'm gonna pull the tongue out and put the stitching back in and repurpose the stitching. I did get this shoe for retail too. I got it off of Union's website. I was actually pretty shocked to go ahead and get it off of Union's website. Got them off of Union website. Took forever for them to ship, but I did get them. Took an L on sneakers when I tried. I do want the guava pair. The guava pair is going for like 700 right now, or 800. These are going for 700, but on release date, which is crazy, these were going for 1300, which I would expect the guava pair to be going for way more, but for some reason, these were going for more, even though this was gonna be re-released on sneakers. I'm actually pretty shocked that these were going for that much and the guavas weren't going for as much. So now the guavas cost a little bit more than these, but still, I am gonna try to get the guava pair. Now that I'm in LA, hopefully, like, I don't take as many L's when it comes to exclusive sneakers, because I can do sneaker stash and stuff like that, since I'm not that far from, I'm not in LA, but I'm not that far from LA, you know what I mean? Like, I'm in the outer city, so hopefully I can not take as many L's. But let's go ahead and see what these look like on feet. I'm gonna do the first half with the tongue in, because some people may like that. I definitely don't like it, but some people may like it, so we'll do it with the tongue in. Once I get the shoes back, I'll probably finish this video off and then go ahead and do it with the tongue out. Y'all let me know how y'all feel. I am gonna be back full time making videos. I have a bunch of shoes that I came out that I haven't made videos for, so I will make videos for older shoes just to go ahead and get them out the way, like the Soulfly 10s, the Off-White 4s. I've worn them, but I'll still make a video about them. I'll probably maybe just do a quick on feet or something like that. I have the Off-White 5s that came out recently, and I have the older Off-White 5s, so I'll probably do both of those in the same video. But I am coming back full time. But if you like what you see, this is just a quick video, whatever. Follow me on Instagram at 1021portraits for the photography, and at It's2Fly for me. Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, subscribe, comment, like, share, whatever. I will be back with more videos, way better quality. I just moved in my place, so the only thing I have literally is a couch and an air mattress. So once I get all my stuff and I get set up and my homeboy gets here, we'll go ahead and knock out everything, and these videos will be way more high quality. But I appreciate y'all rocking with me, the people who've been hitting me up, asking me where the video's at. We here, we back. But stay tuned for the on feet, and we out.
Futuristic handgun. If you act foul, you get 2 shots and 1. I'm at your face like Lancome. You niggas softer than Roseanne, son. Hey, you cannot reach me on my Samsung. I'm busy fucking the world and giving the universe my damn tongue. Crazy motherfucker, I am.
DJ Rated R, Midwest favorite mixtape DJ.
What the fuck is up? It's Gucci Man the G. It's Titty boy, no pity boy, bitch, Scar City the city boy. So icy, so no Nike boy, just Gucci Louis bar. Excuse me, Gucci man keep shitting on me. Why that boy keep buying shit? He's still on a cock and helmets, bandanas on car antennas. No, we do not talk to strangers, just cut off these niggas' fingers. Gucci's something dangerous, cocaine, codeine, and angels though. This AK-47, I hit you in one from the ankle up. This same size as me alone, clip long as a Pringles can. 4-5 Desert Eagle on me, you think I'm a Eagles fan? Tony Braxton, sniper rifle, making never breathe again. Fuck that nigga, kill that nigga, bring him back, kill him again. Scooch.
Yeah.
Talking to 7:30 in the kitchen, they bout to go to school. Saturday I'm cooking chickens, mama